You are going to love the 2025 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.